Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is a quick look at Firefox 60. So Firefox 60 has been released yesterday. It's the newest version of Firefox web browser. If you want to know if you're running the latest version, simply go to the hamburger menu on the upper right corner, go into Help, and go into About Firefox. You will see here that if you're not at 60, it's going to actually download the latest version of Firefox to your machine. And of course, this follows the same Firefox Quantum kind of new generation of Firefox browsers. And, there's no big overall things in here that are just crazy new that you need to have the latest browser. But I would stress out that the most important thing about the browser that is really, really nice to have this version for just that reason is security fixes. Lots of security fixes that are actually making you more secure. So just for that reason, why not update the browser to the latest version 60? Of course, lots of things for developers also, and enterprise deployment. So trying to make Firefox kind of more interesting and to a vaster audience if you want. New tabs and Firefox Home and all of that together are now actually basically more responsive. So if you use many tabs, if you have many things open, and if you have a big screen also, there's kind of a better way that the Firefox browser is managing all of that. And apparently it's crisper and faster. It seems to be fast. I've been using it a lot to just try it out. The layout will actually show you more content if you have a wide screen. So all sorts of little things like that. There's now a thing called Pocket Sponsored Stories. It's only for a small portion of US readers, so you have to be in the United States English to see it, and not everybody. It's kind of a trial right now. So this is something that they are kind of testing out. It is making a little bit of controversy, if you want. But anyways, well, we'll see. We'll see what's going to happen with that, and the in the future versions. Are they going to keep it or not? The cookies section, cookies inside storage section, have greater clarity, so it's kind of easier to understand where everything is and how it's stored. Removed is the trusting in Symantec certificates that are before 2016. And the reason why is they're old and they kind of are used by a lot of malicious websites in order to try to trick you in thinking that the website is actually okay. So different little things like that are happening. Support for like new types of protocols for the web also, like they are supporting draft 23 for TLS 1.3 specs, stuff like that. Stuff that for the most user you can't see it and you don't see anything. If you are entering reader view in Firefox, they changed the key. They changed the key to F9 for reader view because depending on the keyboard that you were using, some users weren't finding that it was actually useful. So they moved the key to F9 to actually have better keyboard support for everybody. So pretty cool to see that they are actually changing that. They updated Skya graphics library to milestone 66. This is all related to what's happening when you actually surfacing the web, different protocols, different new ways of showing stuff. Nothing much happening apart from that. If you're in the few who have sponsored stories, you can actually disable it in the settings. But apart from that, seems to be a good browser, and for the sheer, for most of you, you won't see any difference. Just for the sheer, fact that you will have security updates. Check it out. I think it's worth it, and it's gonna help you out with security at the same time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our video.